Hello mga techies! Welcome to another episode of Multitalks, your ultimate spot for the latest, trendy, and affordable smartphones. I am Sam, your host for today, and for this episode, we're diving into a smartphone that not only promises style and performance, but also toughness. The Oppo A3X. Joining me to unpack this Oppo A3X is a Oppo tech trainer, Sir Jeff. Welcome po sa Bobby Talks. Mag-hello naman po kayo sa ating mga katek.
Alright, thank you Sam. Nice to meet you also. Alright, and hello everyone. By the way, my name is Jeff Saga. I came from Bohol.
Ayan, so let's kick things off with what makes the newest Oppo A3X stand out. I've heard that the Oppo A3X has a military-grade resistant, which isn't something we find in most smartphones. Could you explain, Sir Jeff, how this feature impacts everyday use?
Oh, well, sure, Sam. All right, but before I answer, before I proceed with my discussion, I would also like to share our hashtag or quote for this feature. So, hashtag Oppo lang sa kalam, built tough for life's rough moments. Alright, so alam nyo ba na ang Oppo A3X is the only double certified phone ni Oppo. Naka-military grade shock resistance yung ating Oppo A3X. Meron ding SGS performance test. So we can guarantee to our clients, we can guarantee to all of you that durable yung ating Oppo A3X. But the question there is that gaano po? Bakit po siya durable? Well, I would like to share that our Oppo A3X actually has the layers of protection. So, unang-una po, yung glass natin. Okay? And pangalawa, may tinatawag tayong alloy frame. Alloy frame is one of the components na mga materials na ginagamit sa aviation, like aircraft or airplane. So, alam natin na hindi sila gumagamit ng mga normal na material lang. So, very durable. And apart from that, we also have the sponge bionic cushioning. Sponge bionic cushioning is just like an invisible protection that revolves around every corners of our phone. So, example, nahulog yung phone natin, okay, hindi po siya agad-agad na masisira because the sponge bionic cushioning will absorb all the pressures and shocks from falling. So, ayun lang. And not just that, to make sure that we will give you instant, not just instant, but long-lasting durability of the phone, we will be giving also a special case and we call it the anti-drop shield case. So, again, hashtag Oppo lang sa kalam.
Wow, Sir Jeff, having a phone that can take a beating definitely adds peace of mind sa mga techies natin out there. Now, sir, we prepare simple challenges that our techies experience every day. Are you up for a challenge po?
Well, kahit anong challenge pa yan, Sam, I am born ready.
Ayan, dahil game na game si Sir sa ating challenge, let's see if kakayanin ng Oppo A3X ang ating challenges for today. After all the challenges that we did, let's now check kung kamusta ang ating unit na pinifeature for today, which is Oppo A3X. Wow, talagang nakakamangha ang tibay ng phone na ito. Despite of the challenges we did a while ago, ay wala po itong naging scratch or any problem. Also, yung screen niya is gumagana pa din kahit na binasa natin siya.
Galing naman.
Now, Sir Jeff, aside from its durability, how does Oppo A3X perform in daily tasks like browsing, gaming, multitasking, and streaming po?
Alright, so alam niyo kung ano yung secret doon? Well, of course, our Oppo A3X is actually powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S 4G Gen 1. So technically, that would support heavy graphics application. So kapag sinabing heavy graphics application, so isa na sa mga kilalang application na ginagamit natin is the Mobile Legends. And I'm sure sa mga techies out there, you can actually relate. Alright, so in its price range, si Oppo A3X lang ang may ganyang klaseng processor.
Wow, grabe po palang processor ng Oppo A3X, sir. This is perfect po sa mga katekis nating always on the go as they wouldn't worry when they drop their phone while being active. Also perfect din po ito sa mga katekis nating gamer dahil very excellent balance po siya between durability and usability. Pero Sir Jeff, ang tanong ng ating mga katekis, magkano nga po ba ang Oppo A3X?
Alright, and to answer that, actually, our Oppo A3X, meron tayong dalawang variants. So, unang-una, yung 4 gigabytes plus 128 gigabytes ROM is actually worth 7,153. And yung pangalawa naman, naka 4 plus 64 gigabytes ROM, that would be for only 5,620. So, for sure, get yours now na talaga.
Akalain niyo na step ahead phone na super affordable, sobrang worth it. There you have it mga katekis. Again, thank you so much Sir Jeff for joining here today at our Mobi Talks.
Alright, thank you din Sam and thank you Gwanson for having me here.
Ayan. Also to our techies, thank you so much po for watching throughout this episode. Kaya mga katekis, ano pang hinihintay nyo?
Oppo A3X is now available at once on Mobitech and Oppo concept stores nationwide. Get yours now.
Also, don't forget to like and follow our page mga katekis para updated kayo sa latest Mobi Talks. See you on the next episode! Bye!